ready to jump? And it's like swing, jump, jump, jump. Okay, so now we're going to do let's go walking, let's go walking. We go for a walk with me? We'll stand up and move our bodies.
We're going to stand and we're going to move. We're going to go for a walk.
We have plenty of room today. It's nice. Ready? We're going to walk around. One, two, three. Let's go walking, let's go walking, let's go walking. Walk, walk, walk. Now we are hopping, now we are hopping, hop, hop, hop. Now we are hopping. Let's go running, let's go running, run, 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 run. Now we are stopping, now we are stopping, stop, stop, stop. Find your spot. We got to walk around the first time.
Did you like it? Was it fun?